It's Tips and Tricks with Tyler and Terry. World of Concrete 2025, Showtime.
Got the badges. We're at the World of Concrete. Let's go to the booth. Oh my God. Oh.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Oh, I should have stretched.
Hey, good to see you.
It's nice to see you,
gonna
too.
be all right, Tyler?
I think so. You know, it would be nice if they would actually have scooters at these things.
It would
You
be.
know, it wouldn't hurt you to walk a little bit.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, thanks for the invite to the World of Concrete 2025.
Hey, good to see you guys.
And thanks for bringing the SP15s out today.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you said that.
Really?
I thought even you would know the difference between these new machines. This is the 33.
Get with the times, brother.
The one thing is the operating system is completely new and it's on the leading edge for the whole Wirtgen Group. It's really intuitive, so it really ties the operator to the machine. What do you think we called it? The HMI.
What?
Yeah, human machine interface.
Wow.
Exactly
Very
right.
nice, very nice. All right, Jim, I see you got two different machines here. You got offset, and I don't want to say the word. What's this over here?
Yeah, this is cross pave.
Cross pave, very
So
nice.
what we did, we were able to turn the tracks 90 degrees, and with our premium mount, we can put up to a 10-foot mold underneath, and we could pave a dolly pad or a sidewalk. You could even change this on the job site. You could go from an offset mold to a cross pave or vice versa in less than an hour and a half once you have that premium mold mounted on there.
Very so versatile.
Very cool.
All right, so I'm gonna let you guys go and maybe visit with the customers, and we got a lot of dealers here in the booth too. You know, we got all our local support here, so that's what is a big focus for us this year.
Thanks, Jim.
Man, look at this working texture cure machine. I mean, you can even rotate the nozzles in case one gets clogged. Oh, look at that. They took a panel off so you could see it. Huh, simple. Inset pavers.
What are you doing, bud?
Man, look at this. These screens have everything you need to know about SPs. I mean, look, the inset remote control.
That's amazing. All right, man, I'm gonna go talk to some customers. See you later.
Yeah, see you, man. Well, hey guys, what you like in the working booth and what you're excited about?
First thing we noticed is the belt.
New belt design, way easier, simple to clean.
Okay, so you like the new 33 low profile, less stuff on there?
Yeah, definitely, especially the control panel.
The other thing that's really enticing to us is the fact that you can reconfigure this machine and run up to 10-foot paver on it, which,
The cross pave.
yes.
Very
So I'd say number one, it's sleek, it's streamlined. Number two, you've got a lot more versatility.
You
Thanks.
do more with less.
Absolutely,
100%.
absolutely.
Is it me or did this thing get bigger? I'm gonna put the super smoother back into transport mode. Super easy.
Hey, Chris, I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me here at the World of Concrete. What benefits does shows like this have for you?
Well, the big thing about it is relationships, right? We bleed that with inside a dealership and the manufacturer. So I think it's important for the customers to see what kind of relationships the dealer has with the manufacturer and how many people that we have that are there to support them if they're going to make a purchase this big. You know, over the years, every time that we put out a new model, they always listen and try to change things to what works for the customer.
Well, man, I appreciate you taking the time.
Yeah, no, it's always a pleasure.
Oh man, this is the remote that can run everything. Hey, can I start the machine with this?
Oh, don't do that.
But it will.
It's a good event for customers to come out and we get to talk with them and then we can give them answers or
Show them we're
or-
true partners.
Yeah, or if they've already bought a piece of equipment, we can bring somebody over, Austin or somebody comes over, answers questions,
Yep.
and then like, oh, okay, this is what we need to do, and it's just
The motto, close
Yes.
to our customers,
yes,
right?
exactly. So we're just all here to help each other out, and
Have fun.
yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, man. You want support?
You got it with the Slipform team.
We got you!